I'm having breakfast here with Mum. We walked here to the cafe. Okay, ngo foi lalo ay vai kusimela ngali mailim bele. Like okay, oh my god, you're so funny. Almost forgot to show you guys. Having breakfast. Mum's having some fruit yogurt. She likes yogurt. You know how expensive yogurt is in Samoa? Look at my flowers in the back, guys. Wa mai tato. Nei taia o matango fie manuia, taia o manuia. Ma elo moyang po amam. Ma elo moyang po.
Aya. Seki a penga po uma. Awali balang wala usa pa ila u. Kong kusol miari le fama. Ba. Pangalo ki a u ele foi ngalo si o si ke u ko ma. U ya foi si o si ele foi ngalo. Au fa pia. Uma sangi ya ke ala elua. Biquelo. Foi wala. O que se passa?
Oh, look at those cacti. Wow, look at it, it's flowered. That is so pretty. Hey guys, we're heading to church now.
We're heading to churchy now. Churchy.
Just use mine. Terminator. Morning everybody, morning. I got the morning looks this morning, guys, but don't worry, I'm gonna do this face up and you won't even tell, hopefully. I don't know why she's sitting at the back. I told her to jump to the front. Oh wow, why are you so zoomed in on my face? I like to give her the front seat, you know, that's just respect. That's just respect. And that's the way I was raised. Look at her. Princess Diana. She likes it. Anyways, guys, we're on our way to Costco. We've got a women's event on today, so I gotta go get something, you know, my contribution kind of thing. Couldn't be bothered plugging the big camera in, so I'm on my phone. Mum's first time to Costco. She had never been to Costco before because we didn't have memberships, guys. I just be using my family's memberships for the last 3-4 years. How am I looking, guys? The thing about my head is, like, my hair is so thick as well that, like, when I put hats on it like I'm not a fan. Mum's first time trying Costco pizza. Oh no, not the pizza, the chicken tenders with fries, but you know, like Costco food.
Yeah, we see at Costco. We're waiting for the food. Mum's first time here, so she said, "Surely all si kekele." Lady, it's not about kekele and mangaya. It's about the expensive and cow, right?
The hell, babe. Mum loves Pepsi Max. Oh, don't worry. Aussie's in her ear all the time about it. We're def's gonna be late. Priorities, guys.
Priority, I more.
And then so Laura, Mum, and Aussie got chicken and chips, and I got pizza because I'm a pizza kind of gal.
Có ăn more.
Hả?
Có ăn more.
Vậy cũng chưa ăn nữa.
Sao mua được?
Na whaalili lang whanga lai sa mua.
Ka whaari ni mea o ai mea ngā kes koe sa wako e rau uru.
We're late to white. That's not easy.
Yeah, that's not easy. Easy like a lemon squeeze.
Hey, seriously?
Wash these tears away. If they feel move side to side.
Guys, we just finished our women's thingy, and as you can see, our Princess Diana here, she won a crown. I'll decide if I'm going to show you her video. I'll consult with the father and see if it's YouTube appropriate. And I will see if Laura's one's appropriate. Still trying to decide if me and Laura are gonna go get to the salon just to get our stuffs did, you know, girl stuffs. She must be tired. I wanted to show you guys, I had a crown as well, but it's MIA at the moment. Hey guys, so you like my dress or what? We just finished church skis. And this little devolo, I'm just kidding, she's not any of those things. She cried and carried on. She wanted to come over. She was whispering into Aussie's ear in church, I'm coming over to your house. Oh wow, my teeth be so white. Hello guys. Manuel
I forgot.
Aussie's on his way to Nigeria today.
Yeah, I'm just wearing the traditional
Of your
shirt
country?
of my country.
Where are you from?
It's all the way from Nigeria.
How far?
How far?
No, so they have their own language, but they also have Pidgin, and I only know Pidgin. I don't know Yoruba. Dennis is Yoruba.
Shout out to the man himself, Dennis. My sister Molly for the shirt. So yeah, thank you. So yeah, I look like a buster right now. I look like a high commissioner of Nigeria.
You're the eat-ass, man.
Yeah, kuya maka. All the way from Nigeria. Bele o makalo.
Bele o si Parafale no.
Ngara kamu kami. Yeah, bele o. Oh.
Bawo.
Bawo?
Ekaro's good morning.
Ekaro.
Bawo's hi.
Bawos!
We're finally sitting down to have something to eat. It's been an hour and a half since we got home from church. I want to show you what our kuanti is.
No.
Lamb with pumpkin, some wicked wings.
Yeah, it's a yummy lunch for us after the church. We have a big lunch.
Sorry.
Get off! Café favorito. Oh
my god, I just ran all the way here. Just in time, my daddy's about to board. And I left my phone and everything else at custom because it was taking so freaking long. My dad, Timui, off to Samoa again. Mine out of breath. Oh, daddy. Made it just in time. What time did you get here?
6:30.
Oh, I had so much to do this morning.
Okay, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Ako lumas na. Lumas yung pelukas. Luas.
Oh, I should figure.
2 weeks.
Hi, Dad.
Wow, this is a cool moment, guys.
Yeah, I missed it. Bye.
Oh, I got here just in time. I would have bawled my eyes out if I'd missed it. What's Papa saying to you?
Talking too much.
Mum, are you upset? Mum misses her man.
I'm so scared. There's no love you, darling. It's just don't eat too much.
Well, he's got a point. Oh! We love you, Dad. Be safe. Whaamuri aku lau mana mea lea aua pole. Hey, you guys. Hey, you dudes and dudats. I honestly, I just feel like there's a frog in my throat. We'll start coughing blood soon. But it's making my voice really croaky. I'm on my lunch break at work. I was on the phone to my husband. And I didn't go for my lunch walk today because... Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to get out? I'm going to have to reverse park. But I miss my dad. He's on his way to Samoa right now. Oh, daddy. But I was talking to Aussie just before. We're going to have soup for dinner tonight. So I really want to go to the gym. Guys, I'm like all over the place. I'm so sorry. I don't even know why I picked up the camera. I will see you guys after work. Hey, guysy. I actually finished work now. Been home for a while. Just heading to the store to try and, to get some things. But honestly, why do these two jump? Both jump. It's cold, eh? Our neighbor just came and gave us a platter of cookies. They look like fancy cookies. They're from The Bakery King, and I don't know where The Bakery King is. They're very well decorated. We'll show you guys when we come home. Yeah, guys, so can you put your seatbelt on? It was so kind of them. It was because Aussie is such a kind man, honestly. He is so kind. He's always willing to help someone in need. Give a helping hand. Your finger is in the way. Give a helping hand. Oh no, I think this is work.
Press the pickup button to answer.
Hello, Victoria speaking.
Hello. Yeah, hi. Good day, Victoria. How are you?
Oh, I'm not interested. They've now got like this line where they say they're not selling anything, and I fell for it one time. But I sat there thinking, like listening to them, and they literally are selling you something. I tell them to take my name off the list, they don't. But basically, sorry, I'm going back and forth. Aussie is such a kind man, and he helped that family. The dog was barking, and they went away for the week. Other neighbors started complaining. Then Aussie helped them. He jumped over the fence or whatever, got their spare key and let her in and whatnot. And she was so grateful for that. But being dog parents, you have a bit more grace when you understand, like, and you have your own dog. It's like, well, poor thing, like, it's just barking. So the barking didn't bother us. We were just worried about the dog being home alone for so long. Both me and Mum are like lethal sweet toothers. And wow, when she saw the cookies, she was eyeballing them, and I was eyeballing them. I was like, oh woman, you better back off. These are my cookies. These were the cookies that I was talking about. Look how nice that is. I know Aussie did all the work, but I'm gonna take the first bite. I don't like that. I think it's just like one of those really fancy things that, like, you know, like really fancy stuff is not that nice. Hey, get off bed. I don't know if you like any of them. Nice. Morning, guys. Look at my hair. It's been a couple of days since I last picked up the camera, and I tend not to when I've got like a massive backlog, just because like I feel so uninspired to pick up the camera when I haven't even churned through the other stock. So I have now, and I'm picking up the camera again. But I wanted to show you something funny. This is what it's like every single morning. Oh, she's fallen asleep. But look how she's lying. She's got her headphones on. I can still hear the radio going on through her headphones. But she's getting better at like navigating her own phone and stuff. I haven't had to like help her as much. She just like kind of figures it out on her own. We're here at the farmer's market. It's me, Aussie and Mum. Laura's still at home sleeping. But we came to pick up Bear's food and get myself flowers. Back in the car now, guys. So got our pastries, basically what I came for. We're heading off to go vote. It's like rainy, but it's so muggy. It's like really hot.
Yeah, yesterday's muggy,
Yeah. Got Mum here in the front. She's having her pure 100% cold pressed apple juice. Maya.
Me ki polo. Mama aya.
Video si ki polo. Wa is ya taste ki polo, is ya taste the apple. Oh, the apple juice. Hi. What's
Guys,
up, guys?
Aussie literally spilled his whole coffee in the mall when we were there. And it was a whole situation. Mum's socks are all caffeinated. Aussie shorts are all caffeinated. See on mele mawa. Ole alu, I fai kala mai fo makala ia fai. Le alu I see yo solo. I never I maka mele alu wai. Esa o.
Yeah. Mele mawa, or fai leo, kora wai nga so ami maka kauli.
I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Do you hear me? You better stop this nonsense. See? Amen. So we're looking for something like this. Someone helped me find this. I'm not entirely sure if this is the exact fitting for it, but we'll soon find out. I'm going to go and see if I can find a smaller spanner, because I think that was my issue in the first place. Okay guys, we're home now. Laura's kindly organized breakfast for us. Good one, Laura. Gerard. But I want to show you guys, this is what I usually get. I usually get the oriental lilies. Those gerberas were the first time I got them, but they don't last very long. At least this lasts like a full 2 weeks. But once they start to flower, like my goodness, they're so beautiful. This kind of things just makes me happy, honestly. Yeah. Aussie has fixed the leak that it only took like a couple weeks, but it has been, I don't know how to, okay. Is this supposed to come off or what? Why don't they give instructions about this? Like, not everybody knows what they're doing. It's got hard water stains, and I just soaked a bit of apple cider. It looks to be coming off. I wanted to reseal the, see how they just come across? I don't want any water getting in there because, take mother freaking two. Am I supposed to, okay, it came out the freaking bottom. Am I supposed to cut this? Like, it just seems like a no-brainer, but like, there's no instructions on it. Alright, it's cut now. If it's not already obvious, do not take any tips off me. I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. I should have taken off the old silicone, honestly. This is just such a bad job. It's the best I could do. It's looking pretty good. See? Going for a little family walk. There's one up there. Balling these for so long. It's a ripe one. Well, they're usually ripe, but people come and pick them. I just want to take a cutting so I can grow one. Guys, we got home from our walk not long ago. Couldn't be bothered cooking because it was quite late. When we got home it was like 8. So Uncle Tucky got us covered for the night. Oh, it's gravy.
Gravy.
Samangi. Hey, There's Deborah. Salmon. Hey. Morning, guys. I got the cupboard open here because on our shopping yesterday, well, there was sardine juice all over them, so our cupboard stinks so bad. But I woke up early, went for a walk around our local lake, and now I'm sitting down to have some Nutri-Green. I really wanted to make a smoothie, but there's no bananas, ripe bananas, so maybe later this week. Mom's been up and about. Just finished church, guys. Here at Raiders Club. It was just easier than cooking today. What are fruits now? Mum's favorite meal so far I found is fish and chips. Logo sitting. Molly. Molly. Bye, ladies.
Prince $50. I'm gonna cut out puppy and pepper, you know.
Someone's making fake money.